the count of 3, 2, 1. Action!
Hello, Mad Hatters. On our 28th episode, we want to jog a little, put stars on our 20-day old channel, and tell you why we started Mad Heart Talks, and also tell you why self-expression is the most important thing in these times.
We started Mad Heart Talks because we needed a cope bhavan to cope. What do you-
What a nice wordplay. We started Mad Heart because we wanted to bring our wordplay to you to express our crazies.
So we started Mad Heart Talks because we don't like combing our hair.
We started Mad Heart because we want to talk to you about body hair.
Woohoo! We started Mad Heart Talks because there's poetry to share.
We started Mad Heart because I don't want to care. No. I do want to care. My heart cares.
Actually, thank you for saying that because we started Mad Heart Talks because we don't want to care on some days and we care a little too much on the others, and we want all our care to inspire more care.
Thank you. And I'm running out of things with share and care. So may I turn the wheel back to you? Will you dare?
We started Mad Heart Talks because you and I haven't been able to meet, even though we're just an hour away. But it does feel like you could be in Berlin and I could be in Hyderabad.
We started Mad Hearts because we want to connect with you, Mad Heart, because there is a little too much need to connect in these times. Do watch out to those people who have absolutely no way to tell you that they need your attention right now.
We started Mad Heart Talks because we needed a routine. And routines are relationships. And this is another way of us building fresh relationships and re relating to each other.
We started Mad Heart because we needed to today find a reason to shower every day. I mean, this is not an exercise in productivity. This is an exercise in personal hygiene, you guys. You know what we mean. You know it. We know it.
Yes, so we started Mad Heart Talks because there are days when our heart is mad, and then there are days when our heart is maddened, and there should be the ability to find the full range between the two. So we started Mad Heart Talks because we want to be mad and be maddened and be all of it.
Thank you for saying that because we started Mad Heart because there is room for everything under the sun. There is room for political, there is room for personal, there is room for social, there is room for absolutely nothing rant because there is so much to say. Please do find that 4 a.m. friend and please do share and care and dare and do all of those above because we are all in a collective jail. But let's, as Sabika puts it, let's the lockdown not lock down your body, mind, and most importantly, your spirit.
And definitely, it should not lock down your fingers from sending us comments. Send us comments. If you do not have a 4 a.m. friend, send us comments. We will reply at 4 a.m. Promise. Priya will.
Ka-ching.
Priya will.
I will. I will.
All right.
And
On
no,
that note, let's offer some 4 a.m. love. Okay, 3, 2, 1. PS
PS
love.
love.